Frog boil burger revolt. I slow feed burgers privileges. All at once. Nobles dog rebel. Explosion. Boil 'em slow. Steady as fuck. Denmark Strait gives global ATM. Seized Denmark Strait. Rig toll fees. Trade nuked everywhere. Build trade posts. Income 5 gives 18 ducks. Boom. Why so fast IDK? Fluctuates wild 18 peak woo deep. Roller coaster. Mystery Venice capacity. Suddenly Venice level. Capacity blame. Privatized trade up. Private merchants crush all. Global expeditions. AI bitch runs. Toll exemption. Expedition Denmark swallow straight. Then Constantinople raid first win exemption. Second fully fail. AI sneaky ambush elite wipeout. Cancel exemption. AI smart of rat. No ships. Lands hard. Build fleet. Pussy fleece. Sneaky AF. Dump continent GDP myth. Ditch mainland. Shit. Gascony. GDP minus 20% crash. Why later 加10%over mainland peak. Island trade EMP. Lie win. England born merchant republic. Why monarchy dog? Island navy plus trade. Republic goat. Monarchy. Trash bin. Expeditions. God tier. My raids worldwide. Anglo hegemony. Inherited. 21st US brain. In 14th Sing. Global power projection toll farm. Europe bucket Niels. Wulin Y bogus. EBE. Noble stab. France nuke OP.
Spain, Bohemia, France triple, dog rape sea.
London capital falls. Spain near death. Bohemia free. 1000G. 20Y. 1% God loan smashes French army force. Withdraw. I flip as KY. Burgerize hack. Parliament plus urban tech. Double. Pop nuclear explosion. 10. Privatize no brain dead. State trade. No profit. One click private. 18 ducks instant. England unstoppable dump continent fast. Pivot island. Navy SEAL. Trade plus colony. Merchant. EMP crush. Medieval garbage.